Hi, from Saravana Electronics and Saravana Automation, which is located in Chennai, Coimbatore and Rajpalayam. Right now we have connected the Automation Expo in Chennai Trade Center at Nandambakam. Actually, we are doing the sales and service as well as automation projects we are doing. So right now we are focusing on the IoT projects, which is we can monitor the temperature and humidity as well as all the things, data from the machines, which can be storage in the cloud. So anytime we can take and monitor the data, as well as we are doing the sales and service projects. This is IoT data logger. This is one. So which can be store the data to the cloud and can be retrieved at any time. And also our stall number is D1 and D2. So I'm expecting visitors to visit our stall at on 12th, 13th and 14th of this month.